Yeah, so learning Indonesian was not super hard. It's a fairly easy language to learn, I think. It's an easy language to get decent at. It's a really hard language to master or speak like a native speaker, to speak really fluently, mostly because there's a really sharp divide between Indonesian that's baku, or like formal, and Indonesian that's informal, like bahasa gaul. And that was one of the hardest hurdles for me, was trying to learn how to talk to people my age on the street, because if I came up to them and started talking like I'd learned here in America, they would laugh at me because what are you talking about? It's like if I was speaking like I was reading Shakespeare to an American. It's like that's not how people talk. They talk completely differently. That's definitely the hardest part about learning Indonesian. But it's a really cool language. It sounds different from almost any other language that I've ever heard. It's just totally unique. If I could say anything to the people of Indonesia right now, I guess it would be that you all are amazing, and I'm so thankful for all of the opportunities that I had to interact with so many of you. And obviously there are a lot of you I haven't met, but I know that you all are great people, and I love all of you, and I always felt so welcome there, and hopefully I can come back soon.